show you how to apply the two different types of manes to the horse's head. First, take your horse head cutouts, and you want to open it up like this so that you have the two right sides, the right sides of the outside of the fabric, facing out. Now, for the fleecy fabric one, first we're going to measure from the tip of the nose 7 inches, and we'll just mark it with a little pin, or you can mark it with a marking pencil. Now the mane, take the folded edge of the mane, and you're going to place it right along the edge, and even coming over a little bit, maybe 1/4 of an inch overlap, and pin that in place. So you'll pin it all along like this, a little bit of an overlap, and you pin that in place all the way around like this. Then you're going to baste it onto one side of the horse's head. Now notice the mane is all coming down into the horse. And just pin that down, follow all the way around to the back of the neck section, and keep all the pieces of the mane in like this. And pin that all the way down. Now if this one stretched a little, it's a little longer than the head, I'm just going to trim off anything that goes below the edge of the neck like that. So the mane should run from this point, which is 7 inches from the nose, come around the back of the neck and all the way down to the bottom. Okay? And for this one, I'm not going to sew it because I'm going to actually sew the yarn one on, but I just wanted to show you that you pin it all the way down and then you sew it. And then the rest of the instructions will be like what we're going to do for the yarn one. Okay, so the fleecy one will end up looking like this. It has a nice mane.